Good evening. It is October 16th, 2017, a brisk Monday night. I just wanted to do a quick market recap for you on a couple of key points. I wanted to share this. Every night, Sunday night through Thursday night, I put together what's called the key list. The key list are the list of stocks that I'm keying on the next day to buy. I post it in the Missions Winners site, premium site, for the VIP members. These are stocks that I'm interested in looking at to buy. It's not a big list, but it's the ones where I'm going to put my money. So I want to share this with you. We're going to go a rundown on a couple of these things and tell you what you think. I've been doing this for a long time. I quantify my research, and it just makes it easier for me. This is ACLS. Just going across this channel here, and I'm going to show you something right here, longer tops, and take a look. When it lifts through here on a pickup in volume, we bought this at around just over $25 a share on this day with a pickup in volume, and it's trading over 31. And you can see it's done that in a relatively short period of time, 3 weeks. Less than 3 weeks, this is what it did. 25 to 31. That's ACLS. Here's the next one, Baidu. This was on the key list. I even had it written here. It was on the key list. Lifting off the 8-day, and you can see where it just went this way and it started to go sideways. And I was saying if it starts to lift off the 8-day on volume, that would be good. And volume picked up, and the next day it followed through right around 248 a share. 248 to 249 a share. That was a week ago, and here it is trading at 272. 250, 272, walking up the 8-day. It's a MAXLIST stock. It's what we look for. Netflix. We bought this right here on entry. Even have it annotated. Bought this right here. Runs up, pulls back a little bit. We sell a little bit off. Goes up. We sold a little bit more off into the close. You can say, why would you do that? They had earnings today. I don't take full positions into earnings. That's just me. I'm not telling you what to do. But I will tell you, if you have one huge earnings gap down on you, you'll know why I don't take, and you won't take, a full position into earnings. It'll wreck you. But it's grinding up nice on the MAXLIST. We own this right here. Google. I put this on the key list going across here, and we entered it right in here. Okay, right in here, and we bought more up in here. Average cost, well, I've got it written in here, $9.61. So we own it right here, and it's just walking on up the 8-day. This yellow line is the 8-period exponential moving average line. It's what I use. It's walking up the line. Our average cost is $9.61. I can document it. It's traded at $1,009. So what is that, 48 points in 3 weeks? That's what we're looking for. Let them work. Alibaba. Alibaba broke out right here on a pickup in volume, and we bought some. And it ran up, and then it started to fall, and it round tripped right here. The volume came into it. I sold some here. I sold the rest down in here when it lost the 8-day. It was for break even or for maybe, I don't know, a $1 loss. And we're out of it. Why? The good ones push away and they don't test you to that degree. So that was the way that worked. Alibaba. Facebook. You can see this long line right here. We're watching this. I picked a little bit up today. I posted it in the Mission Winners Premium site. Right in here in anticipation of it breaking across this line. This got written up in Investors Business Daily with a 175.59 buy spot. We own some. If it takes above this line, we'll buy more. By so doing, what does that mean? We will own it below this price. We started small, and we'll add if it triggers. We'll see what it does. SQ, Square, bought it right here, $29.20. There you go. And I just put an example in here. If you had 300 shares, if you just bought 300 shares, right there where we bought it, $33, well, right there you can see you're up around $1,200 right now. What's it doing? It's trending up the 8-day. What do? We let it work till it stops. When's it going to stop? I don't know. I don't forecast. But that's what we're looking for. Amazon. We bought Amazon. You see right here where it lifted off and it started to push through the 50-day? We picked it up right here at around 974. And it's marching up, okay? When's it going to stop? I don't know. But right here, we picked up a little bit more. You can say, Pat, why would you buy more? It was crossing this line. It did it on a pickup in volume. So we own some, and we're going to let it work. We'll see where it goes. Where's it going to? I don't know the future, but we let it work. ESNT. We bought this. This was written up in Investors Daily. It went sideways. We bought it right here. The people in the Mission Winner site bought it right here at around 40.80 a share. Pick up in volume that day. And what's it doing? It's marching up the line. When's it going to stop? I don't know. But right here, from 40 and 3/4, 40.80, 40.80 up to 42, 40.50 in 2 days on good volume, that's a nice start. That's what we want. Why? We bought it right here. And I mentioned it to the people in the room. By the way, this is something I do in the Mission Winner site. I'll tell people, hey, I'm buying this, or I'm getting ready to buy this. And I don't do it after the fact like, oh, I sold it 2 points ago. I'm not going to pull that. That's wrong. By the way, this is not a site where it's in and out, in and out. I don't day trade. I don't want to do that. But will I buy something and sell it the same day? You bet I will. I don't want any big losses. We bought YY right here, volume pickup, it goes up, it goes sideways, it lifts off the 8 day, and it goes up again. Entry right in here at around 83.50 a share, 83.50, 97. We'll just say you bought it for 83.50, and it's, or well, yeah, 83.50. You're up, what is that? 83.50, 14 points, almost 14 points. Is there a reason to sell it? You can sell a little bit into strength. I always do, but it's trending up the 8. We let it go. I wanted to show you this one. We bought MMSI right here. Why? Look at that long base. Lifted through there, heavy volume. We're in it. Everything's great. We sold a little bit into strength. I always sell a little bit into strength. And then it starts to fall. And right here, we sold it. Why did we sell it? It lost the 8 day. I'm out. Right there, we sold it. And it's a good thing we did because right now, we would have round tripped. Buy it here, goes up, back down to our price. I hate round trips. I don't get into that. So we're out of it. Rules paid for us though. Lost the 8 day, sold. Goodbye. Solar Edge, bought it right here. And again, all of these stocks were on the key list before they broke out. I can document it. I just want to show you that. Broke out on heavy volume. Goes up, goes sideways, starts to lift off again. We just let it work. When's it going to stop? I don't know. But I did say you could sell rest losing the ADMA. I posted that last Friday. But look, today it moved up. Where's it going to go? Again, I don't know. We let it work for it. We let trends work. Lamb Research, little shelf right here, was on the key list. Lifted off, and it's grinding up. About 7 points. Grinding on up. 6 points. Just grinding up. Nice volume today. Is it going to stop going up someday? Sure it will. Why forecasting? Let the trend work for you. Last one I want to show you, YRD. Going across these tops right here, went up. This was a scary day. Gapped up a little bit, ran up, closed near its lows. Closed near its lows. And I do believe I told people that I took my shares flat. I do believe I took my shares flat on this day. In fact, I know I did. And why? Well, you can say, look, it went back up. When it's doing that on heavy volume and I own it right here, I don't know the future. I live in the now. It just so happened to continue marching back up. Are we going to be perfect every time? No. But our goal is this, to find the low-risk entry with a volume surge and let it work for you and let it trend for you. Sell a little bit on the way up and then let the rest work and see where it goes. Where will it go? I don't know. But it could do from here to here, 40 or 50 points. And the answer is yes, on a higher price stock. I just wanted to share that with you. That's the key list. We put it out every Monday. We put it out Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and Thursday night. We take the weekend off because we all need a break. This is what we do. I wanted to show it to you, just again to show what we do at missionwinners.com. I thank you very much.